Hello, this is Dr. Quek. Welcome to my training video on how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. Video part 4 of 6. This video is part of a 6-video series. We'll send you one video a day for 5 consecutive days. Video 1 is on research. It's sent to you on day 1. Video 2 on anger. Video 3, promotional messages. Video 4, incentive. It's sent to you on day 4. You are watching this video now. Video 5, deploy. Video 6. To watch video 6, you must share video 1 with 3 of your friends. Please follow the instruction we'll give you. If you have not received video 1, go to this URL and sign up now. Video 4, providing incentives using bonuses. How to provide powerful psychological triggers for people to buy through your link? Answer: offer a free bonus. What are the type of bonuses preferred by most people? Number 1 is a product walkthrough video. This is the most preferred. Number 2 is any valuable free bonus. So these are the most preferred types of bonuses by most prospects. Why do most people prefer product walkthrough video? Because most prospects want peace of mind that the product works. Number 2, they can get help with the product. And number 3, and you bought the product too. So the product must be good. What bonuses can you create? Digital products. You can create yourself or you can buy PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. You can provide help and support. Or you can provide live training as part of your bonuses. Or you can buy the product, use it yourself and share what you learn. You can provide personal coaching. Or you can offer what is related and relevant to the product you are promoting. You always want to offer a time scarcity for your bonuses. You limit the time and the number that you offer, the number of product you offer. You can find 12,500 plus PLR products from this membership site, which you can give or sell. How to upload your bonuses in JVZOO? Go to affiliate, approved products, add bonus. Affiliate, approved products, these are approved products. Let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at this product. Add bonus. See that? You click add bonus. is already added. Let's look at another product we have not added. Let's look at this product. Add bonus. So you upload your bonus file here. Click browse. Or you can put in your product name or the URL. Two ways. Either you put the URL of your product or you put your PDF file here or zip file. We recommend you to put your file here rather than put your URL, because if you put your URL, the search engine may pick up and the whole world may have access to it. But if you put a zip file here, it's very difficult to share. Now, very few people will know. Enter the bonus name or upload a bonus file preferred. Video 6 shows where you can find these ready-made bonuses which you can distribute legally. What is installed in video 6? In video 6 you will get this: 70 hand-picked hot-selling evergreen products on JVZOO. Guarantee approval as an affiliate even if you have zero sales. Pre-written promotional messages for email, Facebook, blogs, and Twitter. Download ready-made bonuses to be given away as incentive with your affiliate products. Learn the free traffic method of promoting on Facebook. A step-by-step done-for-you guide on how to sell online. How to get video 6. To get video 6, simply share this video with 3 of your friends. If you have already signed up for video 1, we have emailed you the instruction on how to share this video with your friends. However, if you have not signed up for video 1, go to this URL and sign up now. Special report. We'll email you a special report which includes this PowerPoint presentation file. Print it out and watch your video again. Take note on your printout. If you have not received the special report, go to this URL and sign up now. How to get in touch with me if you need help. You can get in touch with me if you have any question or if you need help. You can use Facebook Messenger. You can get more tools on my Facebook page. Make sure you like it. Or you can send me an email. That's the end of my presentation. See you in the next video. Bye.